Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best student tablets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a mid-range Android tablet that strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for students. It features a 10.4-inch display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, delivering crisp and clear visuals for both academic and entertainment purposes. Powered by the Samsung Exynos 1280 octa-core processor, the tablet ensures smooth performance for daily tasks, light multitasking, and multimedia use. With 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card, students have ample space for their files, apps, and media. A standout feature of the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is the included S Pen, which allows for natural writing, drawing, and note-taking directly on the screen, enhancing its utility for educational activities. The tablet's slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, while the long-lasting 7040 mAh battery provides up to 13 hours of video playback, ensuring it can last through a full day of classes and study sessions without frequent recharging. The tablet also boasts dual speakers with Dolby Atmos surround sound for immersive audio, making it ideal for streaming lectures and entertainment. The 8-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front camera facilitate clear video calls and decent photography. Additional features like fast charging via the USB-C port and Samsung Knox security for protecting devices and data add to its appeal. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is designed to cater to students, young professionals, and families looking for a versatile and reliable tablet. Its combination of a high-quality display, S Pen support, robust battery life, and expandable storage makes it a practical choice for both educational and personal use. The Dragon Touch Max 10 is a budget-friendly Android tablet ideal for students, offering a blend of performance and affordability. It features a 10.1-inch HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, ensuring a sharp and clear viewing experience. Powered by a quad-core processor and 3 GB of RAM, it handles everyday tasks like web browsing, email checking, video streaming, and gaming with ease. The tablet includes 32 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256 GB via a microSD card, providing ample space for apps, files, games, and media. Running on Android 12, the Max 10 grants access to the Google Play Store, allowing users to download a wide range of apps. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for faster internet connectivity and features an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera for basic photography and video calls. The tablet's 5000 mAh battery offers up to 5 hours of video playback and can be conveniently charged via the USB Type-C port. The tablet also emphasizes eye care with a mode that reduces blue light exposure, making it easier on the eyes during extended use. Additional features like GPS for offline navigation and compatibility with a Bluetooth keyboard for increased productivity further enhance its appeal as a versatile student tablet. Overall, the Dragon Touch Max 10 combines essential features with affordability, making it a solid choice for students looking for a reliable and functional tablet. The Lenovo Tab M10 Plus is a mid-range student tablet that offers a good balance of features and affordability, making it an excellent choice for education and entertainment. It boasts a large 10.6-inch 2K IPS LCD touchscreen with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels and 400 nits of brightness, providing clear and vibrant visuals. The TÜV Rheinland Low Blue Light certification helps reduce eye strain during prolonged use, making it ideal for studying and reading. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor, the Tab M10 Plus handles everyday tasks such as web browsing, email, and video streaming with ease. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card, providing ample space for apps, games, and multimedia content. The tablet features 8-megapixel front and rear cameras, suitable for video calls and casual photography. The large 7,700 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, essential for students who need a reliable device throughout the school day. Additionally, the Dolby Atmos quad speaker system delivers immersive sound quality, enhancing the multimedia experience. Special features include a fingerprint sensor for added security and support for the optional Lenovo Precision 2 pen, which is useful for note-taking and drawing. The tablet runs on Android 12 or later, ensuring access to the latest features and security updates. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and LTE support for staying connected on the go. Overall, the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus is a versatile tablet suitable for students, offering a blend of performance, display quality, and long battery life. Its lightweight and portable design makes it a practical choice for both productivity and entertainment. The Apple iPad 10th generation is a powerful and versatile tablet, making it an excellent choice for students. Featuring a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone technology, it offers a resolution of 2048 by 1536 pixels and a pixel density of 264 ppi, ensuring a vibrant and clear visual experience. With 256 GB of internal storage, students have ample space for apps, files, games, photos, and videos. The iPad is equipped with a 12-megapixel rear camera capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for video calls and selfies. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the iPad 10th Gen delivers robust performance for a wide range of activities, from playing immersive games to editing photos and videos. It runs on iPadOS 16, which enhances productivity and versatility, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously, use the Apple Pencil with Scribble, and edit and share photos with ease. The all-day battery life ensures the tablet can keep up with a full day of classes and activities. Connectivity options include a USB-C 2.0 port for charging and data transfer, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast internet connectivity. The iPad also features a 3.5mm headphone jack and Touch ID fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking and payments via Apple Pay. The landscape 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera supports center stage, making video calls more dynamic, and the rear 12-megapixel wide camera allows for high-quality photo and video capture. The iPad 10th Gen supports the Apple Pencil first generation and the Magic Keyboard Folio, transforming it into a comprehensive tool for note-taking, drawing, and productivity. The slim lightweight design and 4 color options add to its appeal, making it a stylish yet functional device for students. Overall, the iPad 10th generation is a compelling mid-range student tablet, combining a high-quality display, powerful performance, extensive storage, and a versatile app ecosystem, all at an affordable price point. The Amazon Fire HD 10 is a mid-range tablet ideal for students, balancing affordability and functionality. It features a 10.1-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, offering over 2 million pixels for clear and vibrant visuals. Powered by an octa-core 2.0 GHz processor and 3 GB of RAM, the Fire HD 10 ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, including browsing the web, streaming videos, and running educational apps. Available in 32 GB and 64 GB storage configurations, the tablet also supports expandable storage of up to 1 TB via a microSD card, catering to students who need ample space for apps, games, movies, and music. With up to 13 hours of battery life, the Fire HD 10 can easily last through a full day of study and entertainment without frequent recharging. The tablet runs on Fire OS 7, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of apps and content through the Amazon App Store. For connectivity, the tablet supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring fast internet speeds and reliable connections for video calls and online classes. It features a 5-megapixel front-facing camera and a 5-megapixel rear camera, both capable of 1080p HD video recording, making it suitable for virtual learning and capturing moments. Additional features include hands-free Alexa for voice commands, Dolby Atmos support for enhanced audio, and a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. The tablet is also designed to be thin, light, and durable, with strengthened aluminosilicate glass for added resilience. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD10 is an excellent choice for students seeking an affordable tablet with robust performance, a vibrant display, and long battery life. Its combination of powerful hardware, expandable storage, and useful features like Alexa and Dolby Atmos support makes it a versatile tool for both education and entertainment.